Wilderness is not a luxury. But a necessity of the human spirit. The greatest wonder is that we can see these trees and not wonder more. Mountain parks and reservations are useful not only as fountains of timber and irrigating rivers, but as fountains of life. Wilderness is a resource which can shrink, but not grow. The creation of new wilderness in the full sense of the word is impossible. Thousands of tired, nerve-shaken, over-civilized people are beginning to find out that going to the mountains is going home. That wilderness is a necessity. The idea of wilderness needs no defense. It only needs more defenders. We simply need that wild country available to us. Even if we never do more than drive to its edge and look in. We can have wilderness without freedom. We can have wilderness without human life at all, but we cannot have freedom without wilderness. Wilderness is the raw material out of which man has hammered the artifact called civilization.